Although fifth-generation fighters offer benefits such as advanced technology and stealth characteristics, they have their drawbacks. Huge costs and constant maintenance are required to keep fifth-generation fighters operating to their potential. Because of these reasons, fourth-generation fighters such as the Eurofighter Typhoon and Saab Gripen have become increasingly popular. Offering performance on par with fifth-generation fighters, minus certain extravagant technology such as stealth, the fourth-generation fighter serves as an effective interim aircraft until an air force can afford the money or resources to purchase more luxurious types. Sukhoi's Su-35 Super Flanker, NATO designation Flanker A, took the world market by storm when it proved able to challenge and defeat any aircraft in the East and West, except for absolute top-of-the-line fighters such as the EF-2000 and F-22. The direct derivative of the Super Flanker, aptly designated the Sukhoi Su-37 Terminator, was only intended as a technology demonstrator but is one of the most maneuverable aircraft ever built.